Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the default printer because Word queries printer drivers for available paper sizes, so set the correct printer first. Once done, open Page Layout and inspect size for legal. If it's absent, export your normal. Datum as a backup to preserve custom styles. This step prevents accidental loss. Make sure Word is fully closed while you back up because template files update on exit. Doing this now saves time and allows safe experimentation in the next steps. You now install or update the printer driver that explicitly supports Legal 8, 5x 14 inches, because Word imports sizes from that driver. After installing, restart Word and use File Options Advanced and toggle print-related settings to force a driver refresh. If a driver fix isn't possible, create a custom paper size in the printer's preferences or directly in Page Setup. This registers legal-like dimensions. Doing this ensures Word recognizes the new size and applies proper margins and pagination. You finish by saving the custom size as a preset or updating normal. Datum so new documents default to legal. This prevents repeating steps. Then test by printing or exporting to PDF. If content appears cropped, adjust printer margins and enable scale to fit or choose the proper paper source. If problems persist, try reinstalling Office or testing under a different Windows user profile because corrupted user settings often block new sizes. One quick troubleshooting tip: create a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.